Hey everyone, it's me. I'm going to try to make this video quick. So what we have is our apron here. It's the same thing as the thing underneath the window right there. That's an apron. And in the original woodwork, they took this detail, cut a 45 in here, cut it across like this, cut another 45, and then inserted a piece at the end here that would make it all work. And I'll put a photoshopped image, or not a Photoshop, but the image of it in here. And I'm thinking about making the same detail in this, except make it a little different. Make it a square, but yet cut this molding detail at a 45 and then insert it in there. It's a little more of a process to do that. We'll try to use a little bit more chisel work to get around that and then make it made up. That way I can kind of keep the little bit of the round there. Not that it's so mandatory, but I mean, it'd be interesting to do it that way. Because then you'd have a square box that went around like this, but then you'd have this molding 45'd in there that goes straight across there with the 245 cuts there, and then come straight across. So a little more work with that. I don't think I'm going to be able to do this. I'll just temporarily nail this up because I think we're going to do our live tonight. Because to get all the woodwork in there, I finally got everything measured and cut. And we're going to clean these up. I'm going to stain them, or restain them in the parts where the paint took off the finish. And you'll see how that works out with the new stain color I have. Works out phenomenal with these. I did that with this one and blended in really nice and really well. Even with this, there's a bunch of cuts along the sides of the molding, or the casement trim, and it took care of every one of those little cuts and made them dang near invisible. So it's pretty awesome if you can do that. More kitty. And everything. So we'll probably, I don't know if we'll do live while we're cleaning this up or not, but April, when she wakes up, is going to come down here and do these. I doubt I'll be awake. I'm still up now. And then I'll come down and stain these, depending on how long it takes for the stain to dry, it's been taking about 15 minutes or so. And then I'll run a clear shellac over everything and then really make it nice. And then we'll do our live tonight. Hopefully we'll be able to do it tonight and get this window put together with everything on there. It's going to be a beautiful window when it's done. All right. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and check our Facebook page. That's where the lives are going to be.